Students, today we are going to study about the fractions. So first we will understand what is a fraction. Fraction is a part of whole. One whole thing if we are dividing into equal parts and we are using some part of it. So it's forming a fraction. So for example, you can see I made one circle here. Now I am dividing this circle into 4 equal parts, right? How many equal parts? 4. And I am coloring one part of it or using one part of it. So it will form one fraction. How many total parts? Total number of parts are 4. So it will be below the line. And how many parts I have used? Only one will be above the line, that is numerator. The above the line, the part of fraction is called numerator. Below the line is called denominator. Denominator means total number of parts and numerator how many parts we are using. See the another example, I have taken one box here. I am dividing it into 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal parts, right? So now the denominator will be 6 and I am using 1, 2 and one more 3 parts. How many parts I have used here? How many parts I have colored here? 3 parts. So what will be the numerator? 3. And what will be the fraction? 3 upon 6. What is the numerator of this fraction? 3 and the denominator is 6. I hope you understand what is a fraction and how to form one fraction. Now we'll talk about type of fraction. Listen carefully that I'm saying type of fraction. I'm not saying type of fractions. I'm saying type of fraction. One fraction. So first type of fraction is called proper fraction. Proper fraction means the numerator is, what is numerator? The part above the line. In the fraction, the part above the line. Numerator is smaller than denominator. The proper fraction has the numerator smaller than its denominator. For example, 1 upon 4. See, your numerator is 1 and your denominator is 4. So what is greater? Denominator. Of course, denominator is greater than the numerator. So it is a proper fraction. Like this, 3 upon 5. 7 upon 10. These all fractions are called proper fraction. One more important thing about the proper fraction, the value of proper fraction. The value of proper fraction is always less than 1. The proper value of proper fraction is always less than 1. Now the second type of fraction is improper fraction. What is improper fraction now? Opposite of this proper fraction, you can say. Yes. In this, the denominator is it's smaller than numerator or equal to the numerator, or equal to the numerator means denominator and numerator can be equal, or the denominator is smaller than its numerator. For example, I have written 7 upon 2. What is greater here? Your numerator is greater. Like this, I am writing here 5 upon 3. What is greater? Of course, the numerator is greater. So, it is also a improper fraction. It is also an improper fraction. Like this, if I am writing 5 upon 5, yes, it is also an improper fraction because the numerator is equal to the denominator. Now, the value of improper fraction. Is always greater than 1 or equal to 1. Always greater than 1 or equal to 1. Now the third type is I hope this proper and improper you understand properly. So the third one is mixed number. Sometime we are calling it mixed fraction also. What is mixed fraction or mixed number? In which we have the whole number also and a fraction also. Like I'm writing here 3 whole 1 upon 4. 3 whole 1 upon 4. What is the whole number here? 3. And the fraction 1 upon 4. So the mixture of the whole number and fraction is called mixed number. So suppose I am writing here 2 whole 1 upon 5. So what is the whole number here? And what is fraction? 1 upon 5. It has two parts. Mixed number and whole number and fraction. Whole means like how will we show it? 1 understand it. 1, the second box should be like this, then the third box should be like this, right? So the this mixed number is telling that 2 whole means this full, 1 whole, 2 whole, and the third one 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Out of these 5 I have taken this much only. So this this mixed number is telling that we have this much part, 2 whole 1 upon 5. So I hope you understand the type of fraction. And one more important thing I want to tell you that improper fraction can be changed into mixed number and mixed number can be changed into improper fraction. Now I am giving you one exercise here. I have written some fractions here. One, two, three, four, 5. I have given here 5 fractions. Now you have to tell the first one is which type of fraction. 3 upon 5 is proper, improper or mixed number. 3 upon 5 proper fraction. Why? Because the numerator is smaller than its denominator, right? It's a five upon 2. The numerator is greater, so it will be an improper fraction, right? Now 7 upon 8, what is greater here? Numerator or denominator? Yes, of course, denominator. So it is called proper fraction. like this, 2 whole 3 upon 5 mixed number, 9 upon 5 fraction, right? So proper fraction. Now tell me the fractions which have the value less than 1. Of course, the proper fraction have value less than 1. First one is less than 1. Second one, not. Third one is also less than 1. Fourth one is greater than 1. And fifth one, of course, greater than 1. So I hope you understand like, unlike, sorry, that proper, improper and mixed number. Thank you for watching it.